Before knowing all candlestick patterns, my entries were more random than rational. But after learning them, I could enter to a position at the best point. As we discussed before in previous videos, we already know some details about hammer, hanging man, and engulfing pattern. If you haven't watched those videos, you can start with this playlist from here. Today, I'm going to talk more about the dark cloud and piercing pattern. The sections of this video are as follows. First, what is the dark cloud and piercing pattern? Second, what conditions make them more powerful? And third, how to use them in a trading strategy. Next, our candlestick pattern indicator, and at last, some entry examples and a conclusion. Feel free to skip to any of these sections, but for better understanding of these two patterns, I recommend watching the video from the beginning. And please, before starting the video, like this video and subscribe to our channel. And let's continue. Dark cloud and piercing pattern are similar to engulfing pattern, but with some small differences. As you can see in this picture, the dark cloud consists of two candles. First, there should be a bullish trend. Then, the left candle should be bullish. And third, the right candle should be bearish. And the real body of the right candle should penetrate at least 50% to the previous candle body. These four conditions form dark cloud. Now for the piercing pattern, we have exact opposite situation. This means trend should be bearish, left candle should be bearish, the right candle should be bullish, and the real body of the right candle should have at least 50% penetration into body of previous candle. So let's talk about the conditions which make these two patterns more efficient and more powerful. First, these two candles must be in the range of the biggest candles before them. Second, if these candles are shaved, meaning they do not have wicks, they will be more powerful. And third, the highest tick price between these two candles in the dark cloud and the lowest tick price in the piercing pattern should be near or very close to an important trading level. At last, there should be more volume on these two candles compared to the candles before and after them. I am an MQL coder and I can test anything easily on MetaTrader 5 with just coding. If you want to back this just candlestick patterns with coding, you won't get results. But what if you combine it with other trading strategies? It will work better. For example, if you backtest trading with a breakout and pullback and a continuation strategy, you may get around 60% win rate. But if you add, for example, these two patterns, your win rate can increase to 75% in the final stage when the continuation happens. Here, after retesting, price started to move with a piercing pattern. As you know, at TradeX, we develop outstanding trading indicators, tools, and robots. Candlestick Patterns TradeX is one of the leading indicators that will help you recognize these 5 candlestick patterns that we have talked about until now. There is a swing parameter included. The reason is that every candlestick pattern find a meaning when it happens at a downtrend or at an uptrend. And this number means that the candle of the pattern should be the toppest or the lowest among the last X candles. So when you choose 3 for swing value, it will show you that the pattern candle is the lowest price between the last 5 candles, or it is the highest price. The candle has the highest price between the last 5 candles. As you see, patterns will be shown instantly with just one clicking on dashboard or by enabling them in the settings. We also have alerts and notifications for all of these 5 patterns. So if you enable them in the setting, you will receive an alert or a notification on your phone by just enabling them on your setting. Our other product is Trade Assistant and Trade Manager, which helps you with entries and managing your positions and for exits. And it performs all calculations you need in a blink of an eye. If you don't know how to buy a product in MQ5 website, watch the above video. So now let's see some examples of these 2 patterns. In this example, you can see the price continues its main movement after a pullback. And in the next example, we have the same situation. First, a CHOCH happened and then price pulled back to a measure low and formed a piercing pattern before going upward again. So what we learned in this video was the meaning of these 2 patterns, what makes these 2 patterns more powerful, and how to use them in a trading strategy. And also how our indicators will help you with recognizing candlestick patterns. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and please let me know in the comments which videos you want me to make next. Thanks again, and I see you in the next video.